QNT at the time of this recording continues to hold within our consolidation zone between the 122.7 and the 102.2 USDT. And on today's update video, I will be discussing the most significant key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, key areas of supports that we also need to continue holding above. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening from the lows we made on the 4th of November, where we started a very impulsive bounce to the upside and we peaked in a 5-wave structure in a move that peaked above the 172 USDT. And that 5-wave structure to the upside completed the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 1. And having peaked in the formation of that first wave, I was expecting a bit of a breakdown move in the formation of these wave 2, whose minimum target areas I came up with by connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of these wave 1, and on so doing I got a minimum pullback target area for the second wave between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.78, and that was between the 127.3 and the 79.3 USDT, which is the area that I have marked on the charts using this red target area. And that is the target area that we almost fully maximized in a move that gave us a low below the 97.1. And there are high chances that we have a low in place in the formation of this wave 2. And in the next coming days, we can easily start an aggressive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fib extension from the low of the first wave to the high of this wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And on so doing, I get a minimum target area for this wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 286.3 USDT. And before all that plays out, we also need to see a break above significant swing highs here on the charts, like the area above the 140 and the 154, and also above the $172 for us to continue pushing higher to fully maximize those minimum target areas. We also need to see a break out of this consolidation zone that we have been stuck within between the 122.7 and the 102.2. And you can see that the past few days we had seen a bit of a breakdown move to the lower side of this consolidation zone. We found support and started another bounce to the upside, though you can see that this bounce was not impulsive, and there's a chance that we can continue pushing higher, and maybe at some point we manage to break out of this consolidation zone to the upper side, maybe with a retest. And the moment that plays out, then I will have the 140 and the 154 and the $154 as my next target areas to the upper side. We also need to have in mind that we can also lose that bullish momentum to continue pushing the price higher, and maybe at some point we lose support above the 102.2 and get a break out of this consolidation zone to the lower side. And the moment that plays out, then I will have the $90 mark as my first target area, where we need to find support and maybe attempt another bounce back. And if by any chance we lose the 90 USDT, then that will be suggesting further breakdown moves, where we can easily see one more new low in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 2 within our red target area over here. And the moment we get one more new low, then as long as you continue holding within this area, there's a chance of another bounce back in the formation of these wave 3. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting QNT to follow for the next coming days. And let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.